Hey all, it's me again, Kevin. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel where I talk about real stuff, just real stuff with transparency. For those of you who subscribed, my favorite subscribers, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. It's not always you get to see me so happy and excited because, I'm born with a resting bitch face, so I look unhappy all the time. So I've been running a YouTube channel for quite some time now and I've almost tried everything there is to try, except for promoting my videos outside of YouTube because I'm just not that good at digital and social media marketing. And besides, it takes so much work, it takes so much time, and if there's a better way to market my YouTube channel that puts my videos in front of everyone else's eyes, I would do it. Even if it means paying for it, which is why in the past couple of months, you may have come across a few of my videos sharing with you how I use YouTube ads to grow my channel, and it has been quite a success. And I have to admit, I really love YouTube ads. I paid only $2 a day or $60 a month, and my channel just keeps getting trafficked without needing me to spend hours every day promoting my YouTube channel everywhere. I would rather spend those time preparing for my next video, doing better edits, which is why I'll happily pay in order to get those time. And I do not mind making my own cup of coffee instead of buying one every day. But we all know that everything we do have consequences. It is just like how we need to go to the toilet every day to do our number 2 because we ate too much delicious food the day before. And even if we hate doing a number 2, we still continue to consume delicious food on a daily basis, knowing that we are just going to flush them all out the following day. If we are healthy. I mean, seriously, who loves to be trapped in a room that smells? The same goes for running YouTube ads. My main aim in running YouTube ads was to gain more subscribers, which has been super effective. But the consequences here is my watch hours suffered greatly because any watch hours coming from YouTube ads does not contribute to my path to monetization. So that sucks, and I stopped running YouTube ads completely. I learned my lesson and I started to focus more on building my watch hours. But after a week of stopping YouTube ads, my subscriber count literally did not grow. I was feeling deflated, I was feeling defeated, and at that point I didn't care anymore. I just wanted to see my subscriber counts go up every day because only by seeing my subscriber counts go up will I be motivated to create even more videos. Because I get new comments on a daily basis because of YouTube ads, and those comments I get is what drives me to work even harder every day, and I'm willing to pay for it. That's how hungry I am. So I turned YouTube ads back on and I became the hypocrite who tells you not to go after vanity stuff, and here I am doing the exact same thing. So for that, I truly am very sorry. Anyways, the thing is, I'm actually glad I turned it back on because a miracle happened. In one of my previous videos, I basically said how I was in trouble because my watch hours are suffering so badly because of YouTube ads. And that is because running YouTube ads does not contribute any of the watch hours towards my monetization, and I freaking need 4,000 watch hours for it. So I was gaining subscribers but not watch hours, and this sort of created a huge discrepancy which my OCD nature completely rejected. Previously when I was running ads, I mentioned that I was only getting 3 watch hours per day, which is why I have to turn off YouTube ads because it doesn't look good for my channel to have over 1,000 subscribers but have this low view count. But I miscalculated something big. After I turned YouTube ads back on, my views started pouring in again for that one video I'm running ads on, and my subscriber count started going up. But then I realized one thing. So did my watch hours. And I did track this one this time around. I know on average I was getting 3 watch hours per day, but since I turned YouTube ads back on, my watch hours went from 3 per day to 7 per day. That to me is progress. It may sound little, but that's actually doubled my watch hours. And even on some days, I've seen up to 20 watch hours a day. And now it is hovering between 7 to 20 watch hours a day. Now, there are many explanations to this, and I'm not trying to be an expert here because I'm far from that, but I do have a few explanations for this that perhaps YouTube ads can grow your YouTube channel a lot faster than organically, at least when you are starting out, if you are willing to pay. The first reason why my watch hours increased when running YouTube ads is because those people who watched my ads ended up watching my other videos in my channel. So in YouTube Ads Analytics, there's basically this column called Earned Views where it shows you how many of those viewers who watched my ads ended up watching my other videos in my YouTube channel. Now, I'm not too sure how accurate these numbers are, and I doubt they are right sometimes, but for the sake of these arguments, let's just assume it is right. Ad I Run has been watched over 10,000 times, and out of those 10,000 times, I got about 300 earned views. This earned views is what makes it more valuable than the 10,000 views, because these viewers are the ones who are going to be giving me more views and more watch hours in the long run. But of course, your content has to first have the ability to pull your viewers in. So it really depends a lot on your personality and the quality of your video. My numbers are relatively low because I'm quite a boring person. So I can only pull in viewers who are truly magnificent and able to see untapped potential in others, if you know what I mean. And also, I guess this is where consistency really matters. When my ads manage to pull someone in who is interested in watching my other videos in my channel, that person alone can contribute more watch hours, more views than an average viewer. But you have to make sure that you have enough videos to keep them entertained and engaged. You don't want to be running YouTube ads if you only have 10 videos, because you would be wasting all those earned views. The second is all about hitting the like button when you're halfway through this video. So don't wait till the end, hit the like button now, hit it so hard till it stays blue permanently. Alright, in all seriousness, the second is subscribers matters. The thing about subscribers is a strange one. If you watch other YouTube channels or ask any other YouTubers, they'll most likely tell you that subscriber count is the least important of all the metrics. They'll tell you that views are way more important because more views equals more ads and more sponsorship. And that's very true. I do feel that way, and that's probably going to be my next big hurdle. But there's one thing that subscribers can contribute a lot, and that is having subscribers that sticks around for you. I'm not sure if you heard of this before, but you really don't need hundreds and thousands of subscribers in order to be successful on YouTube. All you really need is 1,000 true subscribers who believe in you, who you have helped, and this 1,000 subscribers will grow not only your YouTube channel, but also your entire business. For example, say your channel talks about real estate investments and you manage to find 1,000 true subscribers who have gained so much values out of your YouTube videos. And so you decided to offer this 1,000 sub service by giving them special access to you for $10 a month. The reason you're charging is not because you want to make a quick buck off them, but because you are giving them your precious time for them compared to those who wants to use you for free. So you got to set some boundaries. But your $10 a month service may consist of everyday access to you, a reply from you in less than 24 hours, a private Facebook group that only those people who are serious in getting your help can join, and in there, you share your tips on buying an investment property, you answer questions from people who requires financial guidance, and really, you act like a coach to them. And for a relatively low price of $10 a month, you give way more value than what they pay for, and you help them buy their first investment property, which can potentially help them earn $100,000 in a year or two. That to me is what I consider exclusive value. And if you're capable of helping those 1,000 subscribers who believe in you, then you're literally making $10,000 a month from that $10 a month service. And more importantly, those 1,000 subscribers will recommend you to their friends and family, and in return, that will cause your YouTube channel to have an exponential growth. So I believe getting those 1,000 subscribers is really the hardest part, and there may only be one in every 500 subscribers. There's really no definite answer for that. But what I do know is the faster you get more subscribers, the sooner you will find this 1,000 subscribers. And fortunately, getting subscribers isn't that hard if you're willing to pay for it in order to grow your YouTube channel a lot faster. The third is we need to always remember that YouTube is running a business. Now, this is my personal opinion and I do not have concrete proof for this, but in theory, plus my experience in running businesses on different platforms, I always feel that priority to be discovered on YouTube is always given to those people who are willing to pay for the platform. Think of it this way, if you're running a business, which do you value more? Customers who do not pay or customers who pay? The answer is pretty simple, right? And I feel that a lot of people can be very ignorant with this point. Some insist on growing organically and refuse to pay for ads no matter what. And there's actually no harm in thinking like that because it really depends on how serious you are in running your YouTube channel. There will definitely be some channels who grows organically really fast depending on the niche. I have seen those myself, although I do not know what's happening behind the scenes. Maybe they have some sort of marketing going on that doesn't involve using YouTube ads. So I can't say for sure that organic growth can be achieved in a relatively short time. What I do feel is that when I start running YouTube ads, my channel overall started to gain more traction as well. I don't know why. Maybe the YouTube algorithm detected that I was a paying user, therefore started pushing my channel a little bit more so that I can continue paying them. Or maybe since I started running YouTube ads, the YouTube algorithm is able to gain more data and therefore understand what my channel is about, therefore able to push my channel to the right audience. There are definitely many theories around this and no one truly have the answer for this, but it can't be denied that when I started running YouTube ads again, my watch hours increased a lot. I mean, getting 20 watch hours a day is a fantastic achievement for me because now I can see myself monetizing a lot sooner than later. Of course, my ads right now isn't performing as well as it used to anymore because after a while it kind of gets stale, so I might have to turn YouTube ads off again, but I will most likely look for another video to run ads on just to try things out. If you're planning to run YouTube ads and don't really like how it messes up your analytics, you can try running ads on an unlisted video instead of a public video. That way you can isolate that video to just purely for ads, and maybe that will be easier to track if running ads can improve your YouTube channel as a whole. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks and see ya.